Hi, my name is Gianna West, and welcome to Cooking with Gianna West. Today I'm going to be making smoked salmon, cream cheese, and goat cheese croquettes, which are basically like fritters. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to blend some pretzels in the food processor till they're very fine. And then I'm going to add them to a bowl of panko breadcrumbs. So I'm going to chop them up till they're very fine. Then I'm going to add them. So now I'm going to take a package of smoked salmon that I have, and I'm going to chop that up very roughly and put that in the food processor. And you don't have to chop it up finely because it's going to be pureed anyway, so you don't have to do that. So now I'm going to add about a half a cup of cream cheese, half a cup of goat cheese, salt, pepper, basil, and garlic powder to the food processor and blend it up. So now I'm going to add olive oil to my pan that I have for the croquettes. And I have that pan on medium-high heat. So now that we have everything blended up, I'm going to take a little bit of the mixture in my hands and I'm going to roll it up into a ball. And I'm going to take that and roll it in the breadcrumbs and the pretzels. So now I'm going to cook the croquettes in the pan until they are golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so now I'm going to make a honey mustard dipping sauce for the croquettes. I'm going to add half a cup of mustard, half a cup of honey, and half a cup of sriracha sauce. And I'm going to mix that all up. So these are what the croquettes look like, and I hope you enjoyed. And thank you for watching Cooking with Gianna West. See you next time.